We just finished step edit environment variables. Let's load them. Then we should decide which models our node will deploy. And this is that one. So we should edit node.config.json file. Node.config.json file is file with initial models which will be deployed, and then you can modify models which deployed on your node already when node is working with API. Okay, let's take a look which models are available on testnet. You can use such command of CLI, inference models all, and okay, yeah, we have this default model with a bit different parameters. So the list of model might be changed by chain quite often. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, we configured model. Now tells now we should download model weights to hiding face cache. So first let's create directory with cache. Yeah. Yeah, this directory. Then let's downloading it with Hugging Face CLI. First of all, we need to install Hugging Face CLI, and let's create environment, Python environment for this. 1 second. Okay. And then, okay. And reinstalling Hugging Face CLI. And then downloading the model we chosen. Okay, I forgot model. Okay. Yeah, model is downloaded. And I forgot one modification. So as again we are launching Node at testnet, I want to disable snapshot. It means it will just reproduce all blocks, and you don't have to do it on mainnet. Okay, source config.hint. Okay, and now we starting to launch containers. First, we are pulling them using this command. All containers are downloaded. Then we are starting TMKMS service and node container. The service will be responsible for signing blocks. Okay, then let's just double check that everything is good, and we can take a look on logs. Okay, we made a mistake. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's double check. We can easily exit. Okay, get the end. Well, job address, notes. Okay, let's just try one more time. Okay, yeah. Container just created a bit later than KNS. So yeah, everything is good. We can see that we got up chain and we in sync. Okay, and we see that right now there is a proof of compute phase at main chain. Okay, let's go to the next comment. Now we should create a mail operation. So yeah, once again, what we did now, we started just base container, which right now just listening our testnet. And right now we will start API container, which actually communicated with ML nodes and which responds to inference request. Okay, starting the service. Okay, and this command is used to automatically create our worm key. Okay, it's created, and then this command can register our new participant at blockchain. Okay, we see that this new participant is registered, and we can actually see it. Yeah, this is our new participant. Okay, let's go. So we are exiting from container. And then at local machine, we should grant permission from our account key to our worm key. There's a comment for this. Let's open our local machine. Okay, so what we should use here, address of a mail operational key, which we just created. It's right here. And also seed API URL. What was our seed API URL? We can take a look at it at config.env. But not. Okay. And now we just using this command. It's ask for password. Right now it's sending transaction with granting permissions, and transaction is recorded. It's awesome. And then we can really launch Node. Okay, so launching all containers. This is going good. Let's take a look. The process again, node is registered. Now we should check that API container, which we just started working. Yeah, so this is how to check if chain container is working. You can see current latest block and it's moving. And in the same way, like we check logs for node container, let's check logs for API container. Compose logs API. Okay, we see that it's on the same pace, same height, and it will participate in the next proof of compute phase, and then it will be active participant. Okay, 1 second. The kernels. I also want to show you what is going on inside the GPU container right now. So yeah, we didn't have time to participate in proof of compute phase. It just finished before we joined, and then it's just waiting for the next one. Yeah. Okay, I think we finished, and our node will be visible here after next proof compute, which will be in, I don't know, 15 minutes, something like that. And yeah,